Requested by Derek Kirkula.
Doris. I am going to Goodwill so I can buy some things. I will bring Caillou with me, because he may like it there.
Okay, Boris. While you are gone, I will cook some food.
Okay.
What do you want now, Dad? I am playing some GTA 5.
You and I are going to Goodwill, so we can buy some things.
Dad. Goodwill sucks. Goodwill has cheap plastic old crap. Besides, I am playing a good video game.
Goodwill has great stuff. You may find interesting stuff such as clothes, video games, toys, books, etc. So let's go.
I don't want to go. I want to go to Chuck E. Cheese's instead.
Too bad. Come with me or you are grounded. Okay, we are here. Let's go into Goodwill. I found a toaster for $7.
I can't find anything interesting. I found old Barney books, Mr. Potato Heads with missing pieces, and baby toys.
I am sure you'll find something interesting. I will look at the old cassette tapes, CDs, and vinyls.
Okay, Dad. I am very bored. Everything here sucks. I know. I will just pull the fire alarm. I will go to the fire alarm now. Now I will pull the alarm. Yay! Now I can go home and play video games.
I found old records that I will buy. Oh no. There is a fire. We need to leave. Since your mom is home, I will take you back home. I will just go to the record store in downtown to see if they have some vinyls.
Yay! I want to play on my Xbox.
After I leave the record store, I will go to McDonald's. This is stupid. There is a slow person going 25 miles per hour in a 50 miles per hour. I will listen to the radio.
This is 101.3 Plotagon City Radio. My name is Steve. We have some breaking news. A bald kid with a yellow shirt and blue shorts pulled the fire alarm at Goodwill. His name is, Caillou Anderson. Oh, it's Caillou, not Caillou? Okay, anyway he pulled the fire alarm and caused everyone to evacuate. That is all of the news. Have a good day.
Ooh. I will go back home and ground that stupid loser. Oh my god. Dude, you drive a Lambo, go faster. I need to ground my idiotic son. Don't flip the middle finger at me.
Hey Dad. May I go to Chuck E. Cheese's?
No, I heard something bad that you've done on the radio. Oh. Caillou. How dare you pull the fire alarm at Goodwill, and cause everyone to evacuate the store. That's it. You are so grounded. You are grounded for 128693028302173 years. Someone is at the door now. I will answer it.
Hello, this is Officer Chris from the Plotagon City Police Department. Your son is under arrest for pulling the fire alarm at Goodwill.
All right. He is in my house. I thought that the year in jail and the military school in Michigan would have taught him a lesson, but it didn't.
Caillou Anderson, you are under arrest for pulling the fire alarm at Goodwill when there wasn't a fire. You have the right to remain silent, and everything you say may be used against you in the court of law.
Wow.